From the first roar of the steam engine to the age of Industry 4.0, every industrial revolution has propelled humanity forward. In today's digital economy, industries face a new question. How can AI and big data analytics reshape the supply chain through digital and intelligent transformation? As a pioneer in automation equipment manufacturing, INVT offers a compelling answer. INVT Suzhou Industrial Park is a manufacturing hub where digitalization and automation are embedded into every process. A green, low-carbon, and truly sustainable industrial base. From day one, the planners envisioned this site with an intelligent central brain. INVT has transformed its end-to-end operations. Leveraging SRM, ERP, MES, BI, and APS systems, the company established a robust data backbone. With advanced planning algorithms, production scheduling is now highly efficient, with execution accuracy exceeding 95%. INVT adopted advanced RF technologies and a TMS logistics system to monitor shipments and track product routes, enabling seamless scanning-based dispatch and automatic proof of delivery uploads. From order placement to manufacturing, information flows seamlessly, breaking down silos and greatly enhancing cross-process collaboration. As a leading provider of automation solutions, INVT has deployed a wide range of unmanned and automated manufacturing technologies. Designed for INVT's multivariant, small batch, and customized delivery model, the intelligent manufacturing system integrates supply, production, sales, and R&D, enabling full process visibility, control, and traceability from order to customer delivery. In the past, each production line required dozens of people for material handling and assembly. Today, AGVs transport materials precisely along pre-planned routes, and once received, automated equipment begins production immediately. As a result, customer collaboration efficiency has increased by 80%. On-time delivery by 30%, capacity utilization by 20%, production efficiency by 30%, and customer complaints have dropped by more than 90%. To safeguard product quality, every production step is equipped with dedicated quality checks. From optical inspections to process parameter verification and final product testing. This rigorous system ensures every INVT product meets the highest standards. Through continuous innovation, INVT is building a truly digital and intelligent supply chain. With an integrated information platform, we enhance smart operations, smart logistics, smart procurement, and smart manufacturing. Our mission remains unchanged. Provide fast delivery, high quality, and cost-efficient industrial control products, serving our customers with excellence, dedication, and craftsmanship.